Welcome to a brand new tutorial on Kavu Creative. Let us build an amazing 3D geometric lotus together. Using just the rectangle tool for our foundation, we will transform basic blocks into a colorful lotus. Even if you are a beginner, you will love this workflow. Once you are inside Illustrator, we need a center reference to align our geometry. Double-click the Artboard tool. Activate Show Center Mark. And click OK. Select a beautiful pastel color for our base block. Activate the Rectangle tool. Press Alt and click exactly in the middle. Type in 35 by 35 for the size, and hit OK. Hold Shift and Alt, then slide it to the right to duplicate. Press Ctrl D exactly twice to finish this row of 4 squares. Select the first row. Hold Shift and Alt, and drag it up to duplicate. Press Ctrl D 2 times to finish the block. Now, select all 16 squares. Drag the whole grid to the top left of the center mark. Take the Selection tool. Click a square to find those live corners. Look for the small dots inside the shape. Drag them inward to create a nice round edge. Do the same thing for the next piece. Continue across the entire grid to form your lotus pattern. Take your time and enjoy shaping the petals. Now let us add some pastel shades to the lotus. Choose the eyedropper tool. Hold Ctrl to pick a specific shape, release it, and click your color. Do this quick step for all the remaining blocks. Take your time to create a stunning look. Now, grab all the colored shapes. Choose the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click the center point. Enter 90 degrees, and click Copy. Hit Ctrl D twice to finish the lotus pattern. Let us expand the entire artwork now. Select the full geometric lotus. Go to Object, and click Expand. Keep Fill and Stroke checked, and hit OK. Open Pathfinder, and select Divide. Choose the Magic Wand tool. Click on the extra strokes. Press Delete to clean up the design perfectly. And our design is complete. Our new geometric lotus is looking absolutely stunning. A beautiful 3D flower, crafted right from a simple block grid. I hope you had fun building this unique lotus logo with me. Let me know your favorite color mix in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching Kavu Creative. Subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the next design video.